Okay, gotta move this pump because it's overheating. The outside temperature is like 250 degrees, and I've been told that is about 120 degrees higher than it should be, even on this system. It's also pulling 1.46 amps, and it only should be maxing at 1.4. So I'm pretty sure that all these 90s, these 45s or 90s, I don't know what the fuck you call them. There's a 90 down there. There's another one way down in here. Are the main problem. A lot of resistance on the pump. So we're gonna pull the pump from here. I got a nice big long piece of PEX. I'm just gonna loop it either over the top, down to there, or to the bottom, depending on how easy it goes. And that'll be my new loop. Then the pump will go in the basement. So let's go. Alright, that valve's gonna be replaced eventually. I'm backfilling it. I got this valve shut off, this top fill. Backfilling it through into the house, into the heating block, all the way up through the pump to cool all these pipes off, so I can actually handle things. That way, when I do get water on me, which I will, I don't get burned. So it'll take a few minutes. Okay, took the flanges off, took the pump off, and cut that off. I'm going to have to put that in a vise to get that other flange off, and this one's going to be fun. And got some hard water. Good times. Okay. That bottom flange was on there pretty tight. I had to put some heat on it. Singed a little bit of the insulation, but I'm not too worried. Now I'm putting a PEX connector on there. I'm just going to run that pipe up and around. I'm far from an expert, but hey, gotta have heat. Here we go. Okay, pump's downstairs. Got my nice little ghetto loop down to there. Now the pump was rated top end at 1.4 amps. It was pouring 1.46 just out here with all that extra BS on it. Put it in the basement. It's pulling 1.0 now. Hopefully that'll let my motor last longer. So later tonight I'm gonna check the surface temp on the pump and see what it's at. Alright. Okay. Big mess down here in the basement. But this is the line coming in from outside. That's a crawl space. I gotta find a way to put it on here. I'm gonna have to attach it somewhere on this side. So I gotta figure out which one of these is the input to the block and which is the out. Because I don't know. So that'd be fun. And then I gotta run some power. Because I don't have any power to run over here. It'll be interesting. Alright, got the pump here, all rigged up. Not the quietest thing anymore, so gonna have to get a replacement eventually. But for now, that'll work. Get it wired up properly. Right now it's just on an extension cord out that way. But there's some wire right there. I'll throw an outlet there. That way it's not going to lose any voltage or amps or whatever the magical shit flies through the wires. Alright.